Hello friends, welcome to a new video tutorial. I am your guide to help you understand everything that you need to know about Metastock. In this new tutorial, I am going to show you how you can create your own indicator in Metastock. So Metastock comes loaded with many additional softwares. I have already shown you how you can create your own explorer with this little binocular icon. Today I am going to show you how you can create your own indicator as well. So yes, Metastock gives you that much freedom to not only create your own explorer but also to your own indicator. So to create your own indicator, I will have to open this software called Indicator Builder. This is the FX icon here you will find at the top. So as usual, we click on this new tab here and this particular box opens up. Here we write the name of a new indicator. Say for example, we are going to create a new MACD indicator, right? So we write the name of the indicator. We start with Z prefix so that all the indicators we create will be populated at the end of the list, so that we can understand that all these indicators with these Z prefix are created by us. This is one of many tricks that you can use, right? So we write the name of the indicator as the new MACD, right? As you know, MACD is the difference between two moving averages. So here I am right to code this formula. Now coding in Metastock is a slightly tricky issue. You have to learn a particular programming language. I am not teaching you that programming language. I am merely using it as of now. Maybe in some later video we will talk more about this programming language. So first of all, I am creating a moving average. MOV is the function. MOV comma within bracket C comma 12 comma S. That means I have created a 12-day simple moving average based on closing prices. Now I am giving it a variable name, say for example X, and this is how I define a variable here with a colon, and the line at the end of the line you will find a semicolon. At the same time I am defining another moving average, which is a larger moving average, that will be suppose a 26 period moving average, right? So here we define two particular moving averages. Now we know that MACD is the difference between the short term and the long term moving average. So we are defining a new variable as Z being equal to the difference of the two moving averages, X minus Y. Done. And after that we are plotting Z, that is the difference of the two moving averages. So it's done, right? Now this particular indicator, let us see how we have fared it and if we can plot it on any charts. So we are closing it here and we are closing this indicator builder. Now we are opening any chart. Say again we open the chart of Nifty, and that's it. This is the chart of Nifty, and at the top in this small window you can see that this indicator, what we have created right now, has already been shown. So this is in alphabetical order. Z has come here, so we can bring it. We have to we are taking our mouse here and dragging it on outside of the chart, and this indicator has plotted. Wow, fantastic. Now we can even modify the indicator from here. Suppose let us make it look more like an actual MACD. So MACD, this is the MACD line. We can also create a trigger line. The trigger line will be defined as a 9-day EMA of the MACD. So we plot another moving average here. This time the moving average will be of the difference, and it will be 9-day exponential moving average, right? So give it another name. Suppose we name it as A. Here we define it, and now here we plot it, A. So let's see how it works. Yeah, so you can see that the MACD line is plotted, and below the MACD line another smoother line is plotted, which is actually a 9-day exponential moving average of the MACD line. So this is a trigger line. So we are now also plotted the trigger line as well. Now let us plot a zero line, right? The above which prices are positive, the MACD values are positive, and below which it is negative. So that is also there in MACD. So why not put it? So we close this line and also put a 0 here. And voila. So we create the 0 line as well. So this is now more looking like an MACD line, right? Moving average convergence divergence line that we created. To check it with an original MACD line, we can also go back here and plot the original MACD line, and this is the original MACD line, 9-day. Okay, fine. So now you can see the lower one is the original MACD line by default, and the upper one is the MACD line that we have created. These two are almost exactly similar. So this is how we create any particular indicator in Metastock. Metastock gives you this much freedom, right? All the important thing is that you should be little more proficient with the Metastock programming language. If you can write codes in Metastock, then you can do any number of things, right? So previously I showed you how to write an exploration. Here you can see how you can create your own indicators. You can also write an entire system and test it. In my next videos, I am going to show you how you can do those things in Metastock as well. So I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. So see you next time, friends. Thank you.